YouTube channel. I haven't been around in a minute. And I'm going to just say that I did not have any content going on. I was just kind of like, what am I supposed to talk about next? Like, I was really like just out of it. So I've decided to make content about my wig and you know, do stuff like that. Can you see me? Okay, hold on. Where are my scissors? Your little scissors. Okay. All right, let's see. The way I don't have my mirror with me. Peekaboo. Wait, hold on. Oh, hold on. Okay, it's connected to my earring. I don't like that. Put the money in the bag. Put it in! All right. Sorry, Mom. All right, so I'm trying to make sure it's as flat as possible. I'm not perfect, okay? So I don't even want anybody to be out here thinking I'm perfect. I'm really not. Like, oh my goodness, I'm not the best, okay? So guys, the wig that I'm gonna be doing this for, oh, this is a deep, oh yeah, it is a deep part. Anyways, so I got this hair from the beauty supply store. It's Brazilian Secret and it's Molly. So I searched up a couple of Brazilian Secret wigs and they don't have any in Molly. I know that there's some other Bohemian wigs, but this is, I don't see a review for this, so I thought it was a great idea to put it on and actually post it, so that way if other people get this wig, they can see that I reviewed it and it was nice. I tried it on in the store and I thought it was a really nice wig. So it's synthetic, perfectly fine. I actually wanted to do this for my graduation picture, so I wanted to use this wig so I can get my cap and my gown and, you know, look all cute and stuff. It would be exciting. It's great. I don't like that it's stretched like this. I really don't. And I feel that I did too much. Alright, so and guys, alright, so I hope this is dry. I sprayed a little bit more on, so I'm just hoping that it all works out. If it don't, we just gonna figure it out. Whew, I can finally breathe now. I didn't mean to reach this far on my forehead. See, let's measure this out. I was trying to do the whole bald method, whatever. So let's see if that works. Put this on the ground. Okay, look at this. This is so cute. It doesn't tangle that much. Like when I wore the other one in the store, it didn't tangle as much, but sometimes it can be a little different when you actually get it. Not me putting my whole shit in there. Okay, so let's see it. Let's go all the way down now. Okay, so I feel like Y'all, this hair is so cute. Oh my gosh. This needs to be all the way back there, as y'all can see. Boop, boop. We can cut it down a little bit more. What do y'all think? What do you guys think? Okay, let's do that. Let's come back. Let's retrace our steps here, and yeah, this is cute. Okay, let's do that then. Hashtag ball cat method. Okay, see it. Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. Why is it all over my desk now? Cool, great. Okay. It's coming together. I'm so proud of us, y'all. I'm trying my best, y'all. I really am. Like, I really am. I'm just doing this blindly. This is not good. Like, it's still further out. What is going on with me today? Do our thing at this point, because I really don't know what they want me to do with this wig. I really don't.
Oh my god! Wow!
Thing is so like liquidy. My goodness. Okay, so I would say I put 2.5, 3 layers of this product on my forehead. So let's see. No wonder people use it. This one is really strong. Hold on. Is this how people do it? Hold on. Wait. Wait. There you go. Boom. Oops. I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. You know, why didn't I do that before? Yeah, I know this part is gone. I know it's gone. I know it's gone. I really tried, you guys. I did. You saw. You saw. Then dip me underway. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs. See, I told y'all I'm not a pro. Like, it's like really hit or miss for me. It's a really hit or miss for me every time. I do not know how to part to save my life. Please. Please. Like, I know I need a brush for this. I just wanted to. And you know, this doesn't tangle a lot, to be honest. This looks awful. Like, I don't know how I feel about it. I'm gonna do that little swirly thing. Let's try it. Ooh. So I went to sleep. Like, I was so tired. Okay. Not bad, I guess. So I'm using this foundation. Oop, sorry. I don't think Target has it anymore. Wait. Yeah. Haley's. And like, I was parting it and stuff, and it's not gonna be perfect because it shouldn't be. Like, that's how a part is supposed to be. But I like it. Like, I like how straight it can get. For me, it's these dips. Like, I have like a pinhead. I'm telling y'all, I have a pinhead. Try to make it as cute as possible, but my pinhead just don't be, it's just not how I want it. So that's okay though, because I have a small head and it's very cute. I like my small head. So I try to make sure it was as neat as possible. How it looks. nice wig. I'm practicing, I'm learning, I am doing the best that I can, the way how I know how, and I'm going to develop certain strategies that hopefully y'all can teach me on YouTube. So I'm gonna keep on doing this. Hopefully I can make another one soon, but if not, please just share this one. And if you're scared of putting a wig together, the best you can do really is find yourself an affordable lace front wig. Go on YouTube, find videos like this one to kind of give you a gist of what's going on, and feel free to do your own thing. So yeah, thank you guys, and bye.